Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW X5 guys and you're trying to remove your Serpentine belt. We will explain guys where actually the belt tensioner is located, what you need to do to remove the belt in case you need to replace it guys. Now we'll demonstrate on a 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a V8 procedure for the removal of the belt will be about the same. That 6-cylinder engine has been used in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series guys, X3, X5, even X1 guys. This is known as the N52, N53 or N54 engine. Stay with us, we will explain what the tensioner pulley looks like, what you need to do to remove the belt in case you need to replace it. Before we start guys, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, when you remove the belt, you have your radiator fan here. We have everything removed so we can show you with a great detail. But if you have the fan on, disconnect your car battery because that fan can turn on anytime. Number 2 guys, it really matters on modern vehicles which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. So if you don't know about that, we have a video that explains all that. In the description of the video below you can find the link guys. Check it out because otherwise you can cause damage to modules, computers and electrical system. Now this is guys the Serpentine belt. Depending on which model, configuration and all of that stuff, it may look a little bit different, the diagram may be different, it really depends on what your car is equipped with and what year it was built. But this guys right here is known as tensioner pulley, right here. And this on this side is known as an idle or idler pulley, this one here guys. Now this one, all it does, okay, it just turns on its own. This is the pulley that actually controls the tension for your Serpentine belt guys, and if it fails your belt will fall off and you will not be able to drive practically because your car will not be charging the system, you may not have hydraulics, the power steering pump, and your AC compressor will not work most likely. So on your tensioner pulley you have one place that looks like a star and you need to get a tool like that. We'll put the link in the description of the video below guys where you can get it from, and you go right there and you go clockwise. In some cases you may need to go counterclockwise, it really depends on the configuration again, but you do that and you're ready to remove the belt. Now when you're ready to install the belt, it's pretty simple guys, you just do exactly the same thing. If you need to remove it, it's pretty simple, you just remove it out of every pulley and you install it. But check it out, you release it and it's supposed to do the tension on its own. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.